Stitch this with something that made you feel really good about working in the nursing profession.
I know you're being sarcastic, but one thing came to mind. I've told this before in my creepy stories, but we had a patient in the ICU that had a terrible accident, was like declared brain dead. They were going to harvest the organs and the family wouldn't let go, and we gave them like 3 days. They were like praying over this guy and doing all these sorts of rituals and things. And then when me and this other nurse, Frances, were bathing him, Frances would talk to him and say his name, and let's call him Steve. Oh, Steve, we're giving you a bath, Steve. And then she was like, Steve, move your foot. Steve, hold my hand. And he started moving, like spontaneous brain activity returned. It was the craziest thing I've ever seen. And then he came back like almost a year later or a couple months later. And he walked into the ICU, and me and Frances, like, I'm getting goosebumps. Me and Frances were like, that's Steve. And he was alive. And that made me feel good, like I was part of somebody's recovery. Did my background change?